Hey, it's Johnny, US Wellness. Sheep into another paddock this evening, and they're figuring out where they want to go. They're moved routinely from paddock to paddock. Each one's a little bit different in size, so it varies on how many days they can stay in each one before they move to the next. Pretty simple process, just these fence posts that come out of the ground, and when you're ready to move to the next paddock, you're just undoing your wires and taking your wires off the posts and moving your fence and setting up a new paddock. Then you open up your wires and move the sheep in. The dogs are always the first ones to go to check things out. And everybody just spreads out.